What if the same cup of coffee you've been drinking for decades could become your most powerful weapon against muscle loss? Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to hit that button and turn on the bell so you never miss a natural health solution. Most people over 60 accept weakness as inevitable, watching their strength slip away month by month. But I'm about to reveal 3 kitchen ingredients that can transform your morning brew into a muscle-building powerhouse. And make sure you watch until the end, because the timing secret I share could double your results. The enemy stealing your strength has a name, and it's been working against you for years without you even knowing it. This isn't about expensive supplements or complicated routines. What I'm sharing works because it addresses the root cause that most people completely miss. Every year after 30, your body quietly loses muscle mass. By 60, this process accelerates dramatically. Scientists call it sarcopenia, and it's responsible for those moments when you struggle to open a jar, feel unsteady on stairs, or notice your clothes fitting differently. But here's what changes everything. Recent breakthrough research has identified compounds naturally found in coffee that can actually reverse this process. The secret isn't just what you add to your coffee, it's understanding how your muscles work on a cellular level. Your body has a natural muscle-building window that opens every morning after fasting overnight. Most people waste this golden opportunity by drinking plain coffee or eating the wrong foods. The 3 ingredients I'm about to share work together to flood your muscles with exactly what they need during this critical window. The first ingredient probably shocked you in the introduction because it's sitting in most kitchen pantries right now. Dark cocoa powder isn't just for desserts. It's a scientifically proven muscle activator. Adding just 2 tablespoons of unsweetened dark cocoa to your morning coffee can increase the building blocks your muscles receive by up to 25%. Here's the fascinating science behind why this works. Cocoa contains powerful compounds called flavonoids, particularly one called epicatechin. These natural molecules act like traffic directors for your bloodstream, opening up pathways that deliver nutrients directly to your muscle tissue. Think of your circulatory system like a highway system. Most people over 60 have narrowed lanes and traffic jams, preventing muscle-building nutrients from reaching their destination. Cocoa clears these pathways instantly. The timing is crucial, though. You need to drink this enhanced coffee within 30 minutes of waking up, when your body is primed and ready for muscle construction. Start with 1 tablespoon if you're sensitive to bitter flavors, and work up to 2. If regular coffee keeps you up at night, decaf works just as well. The magic is in the cocoa, not the caffeine. Margaret, a 68-year-old from Portland, struggled to carry her groceries from the car to her apartment. After 3 weeks of adding cocoa to her morning routine, she was carrying 2 bags at once and taking the stairs instead of waiting for the elevator. The difference wasn't just physical. She told me she felt mentally sharper throughout the entire day. While cocoa works on blood flow during the day, this second ingredient operates like a night shift construction crew, rebuilding and strengthening your muscles while you sleep. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Collagen peptides might sound complicated, but they're simply pre-digested protein that goes straight to work repairing muscle fibers. Here's what makes this so powerful for people over 60. Your body produces about 1% less collagen every year after age 20. By 60, you're running on fumes. Collagen isn't just for smooth skin like the beauty industry wants you to believe. It's literally the scaffolding that holds your muscles together. When you add collagen peptides to your coffee, you're providing your body with the exact amino acids it needs in a form that's immediately usable. No digestion required. No energy wasted breaking down complex proteins. It goes straight to your muscle tissue and starts rebuilding stronger fibers. The beauty is that collagen dissolves completely in hot coffee and has no taste whatsoever. Use 1 scoop, about 10 grams, of unflavored collagen peptides. Choose grass-fed sources when possible, though if you're vegetarian, there are plant-based amino acid blends that work similarly. The synergy between collagen and cocoa creates the perfect environment for muscle growth and joint protection simultaneously. Robert, a 71-year-old retired firefighter from Arizona, came to me because his knees were so stiff he'd given up his morning hikes with his dog. After 2 months of this coffee routine, he's not only back on the trails, but started volunteering with local search and rescue again. His wife says it's like watching her husband get his life back. These first two ingredients handle the building and repairing, but this third addition is all about sustained power, the kind of energy that keeps you strong from morning until night, without the afternoon crash that leaves you feeling weak and depleted. MCT oil stands for medium-chain triglycerides, and unlike regular fats that take hours to digest and often get stored instead of used, MCTs take a direct route to your liver and convert to energy within minutes. This isn't just any energy, it's clean-burning fuel that feeds both your muscles and your brain for hours. Active muscles are strong muscles, and strong muscles fight off sarcopenia. Start with just half a teaspoon because too much too fast can upset your stomach. Gradually increase to 1 full teaspoon over a week. Add it last, after the cocoa and collagen, and stir vigorously. Some people prefer to blend their enhanced coffee for 10 seconds to create a creamy, frothy texture that tastes absolutely incredible. The sustained energy from MCT oil helps fuel the muscle-building processes initiated by the cocoa and collagen. It's like providing high-quality gasoline for a finely tuned engine. Your muscles get the energy they need to grow stronger, and you get the stamina to stay active throughout the day. Dorothy, a 64-year-old teacher from Michigan, used to crash every afternoon and needed a nap just to function. After adding MCT oil to her morning coffee routine, she started keeping up with her kindergarten students and even began taking evening walks with her husband again. She calls it her personal fountain of youth. Here's where most people go wrong, and why this information could double your results. The magic isn't just in what you add to your coffee. It's when you drink it and how consistent you are with the timing. Your muscles operate on a natural rhythm. They're most receptive to building materials in the morning after fasting overnight. This enhanced coffee must be consumed within 30 minutes of waking up before you eat anything else. This is when your body is primed for muscle construction. The nutrients hit your bloodstream at exactly the right moment when your muscles are hungry for building blocks. Eat breakfast first, and you miss this critical window. Consistency beats perfection every single time. It's better to have this muscle-building coffee 5 days a week for 2 months than to have it perfectly every day for just 2 weeks. Your muscles adapt and grow stronger through regular, repeated nutrition, not sporadic perfect moments. Let me walk you through the complete morning ritual that's transformed hundreds of lives. First, brew 8 to 10 ounces of your regular coffee. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and stir until completely dissolved. Next, add 1 scoop of collagen peptides and mix thoroughly. Finally, add half to 1 teaspoon of MCT oil and give it a vigorous stir or quick blend for the best texture. The combination works synergistically, each ingredient enhancing the others. The cocoa opens blood flow pathways and provides antioxidants. The collagen gives your muscles the building blocks they need. The MCT oil provides sustained energy for the entire process. Together, they create the perfect storm for muscle rebuilding. I know some of you might be thinking this sounds too simple to work, or you've been disappointed by health promises before. After 60, we've learned to be skeptical, and that's actually wise. But here's what makes this different. This isn't about overnight transformation or miracle cures. This is about giving your body specific nutrients it needs, when it needs them, in a form it can actually use. In the first week, you'll likely notice more sustained energy throughout the morning. By week 2, many people report feeling steadier on their feet and more confident with balance. After 3 to 4 weeks, you may notice it's easier to get up from chairs, climb stairs, or carry groceries. Remember, everyone's body responds differently. Some see changes quickly, others take longer. The important thing is consistency and patience with yourself. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Before starting any new nutrition routine, especially if you're taking medications or have health conditions, please consult with your healthcare provider. This is particularly important if you're on blood thinners, diabetes medications, or have digestive issues. These ingredients are generally safe for most people, but your doctor knows your specific situation best. This enhanced coffee complements a healthy lifestyle. It doesn't replace medical care or prescribed treatments. Think of it as one powerful tool in your arsenal for maintaining independence and strength as you age. Your strength doesn't have to be a thing of the past. Every morning, you have an opportunity to nourish your muscles and invest in your independence. This isn't about turning back the clock. It's about making the most of where you are right now and building strength for the years ahead. To recap everything we've covered, dark cocoa powder opens blood flow pathways and provides muscle-building nutrients. Collagen peptides give your muscles the exact building blocks they need while supporting joint health. MCT oil provides sustained energy that keeps you strong all day long. Combined with your morning coffee and timed perfectly when your body is ready to build and repair, these three ingredients create a powerful daily ritual. The best part? You can start tomorrow morning with ingredients that probably cost less than one restaurant meal. No expensive supplements, no complicated protocols, just three simple additions to something you're already doing every day. Which of these three ingredients will you try first in your morning coffee? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below, and don't forget to let me know which city and country you're watching from. The community we're building here spans the globe, and every success story inspires others to take control of their health. If you found this helpful, you might want to check out my next video on the 5 best chair exercises that can strengthen your legs even faster when combined with this morning routine. The combination of proper nutrition and targeted movement is unstoppable. Remember, small consistent changes create lasting results. Your stronger days start with your next cup of coffee. Thank you for watching and subscribe.